I've been looking for ways to get passive income, and I've decided to place £200 in Vanguard FTSE All World High Dividend Yield UC ITS ETF, ticker code VHYL. This is an exchange traded fund with very low charges, and the current market price is 49.53. The objectives of this fund is employs a passive management or index and investment approach through physical acquisition of securities, and seek to track the performance of the FTSE All World High Dividend Yield Index. In other words, it invests in companies that pay high dividends. So say if you happen to look and find them and invest in them individually, this ETF does it all for you. And it says it's and they invest in large and mid capitalization weighted companies. They're looking on their site. We have portfolio data number of stocks 1,804, and this is the countries they invest in. Predominantly, or 50%, is North America, Europe, and that goes to the other countries. Market allocation, that's the countries where they invest. Then we've got weighted exposure. It's the type of sectors they invest in: financials, healthcare, consumer staples, energy, consumer discretionary, technology, basic materials, utilities, telecommunications, and real estate. So very little is invested in real estate. As I say, they're looking for dividend payouts as much as growth, but most of it is financials. So all the work is done for you. You just have to buy the stock. Now, I bought my stock not directly through the Vanguard site. I've actually got an account with Trading 212 where they quote this ETF, and I've recently bought that. Have a quick look. I will show you your investments is £201.14. That's the current value. I'm up 0.57%, which is £1.14. History, this is when I made the investment. I bought this particular holding yesterday being the 29th of November 2022. I did earlier on at some point in January 2021, I had some holdings in the stock, but I sold that, but only had a minimum amount. I think it's about £16 or £20. Why I sold it, I don't know. I was just tidying up my portfolio, but now I'm going for some serious passive income, and I've decided to invest in, as I said, Vanguard All World High Dividend Yield UC ITS ETF, and I'm going to hang on to my holding. Now, regarding the payouts, distribution, this is the dividend yield. This is past performance, which will basically be the same as going forward. Ex-dividend date, most recent one was 15th of September. The record date, as long as you've got a holding on the 16th, you'll get the payout, and the payable date is the 28th. So it all happens fairly quickly, whereas with some stocks it's quite protracted. But once they declare the dividend, you get it in your account pretty quickly, and that's quarterly. So we're looking at September, June, March and December. As I say, we're just going into December tomorrow, so I bought this stock at the right time, and I'll be getting a nice dividend payout later on in December. And this is passive income. Passive income means you put your money in, then you just sit back, no work, and hopefully earn an income. This is one I'm going for, or I've gone for, and as I say, it's the Vanguard. Got a very good reputation, very low charges, so that is where I am with this one. A good solid way of getting a passive income. Just put £200 in, don't think about taking your money out. You might get some capital growth, which, as you can see from this chart, there has been growth, ups and downs. That over 1 year, that shows you how the price of the share has fluctuated. Maximum that has sort of a few ups and downs, but more ups than downs. So you're going for capital appreciation plus nice dividend payouts, but predominantly they're looking for passive income, nice regular income, and without eroding your investment, and hopefully getting some appreciation and value at the same time. So I hope you've found this interesting. Might give you a bit of food for thought. Until next time, I bid you all a really, really successful investing adventure.